Hi students, that is Mathematics 10 plus 1 class. I proceed to exercise 8.1 of lesson 8. We are taking question number 13. 9 raised to power n plus 1 minus 8n minus 9. We prove that is divisible by 64. Prove this result. Prove that. So students, we look here 9 raised to power n plus 1 minus 8n minus 9. 9 can be written as 1 plus 8 and raised to power n plus 1 minus 8n minus 9. Using binomial theorem, a plus b raised to power n can be written down sigma r0 to n ncr a raised to power n minus r and b raised to power r. So looking here, 1, a equal to 1 and b equal to 8. So this will be write down n replaced by n plus 1 sigma r0 to n plus 1 and n plus 1 c r 1 raised to power n plus 1 minus r and 8 raised to power, that is r. So looking here, we write down, put the r equal to 0. So n plus 1 c 0, 1 raised to power n plus 1 minus 0, 8 raised to power 0 plus n plus 1 C1, 1 raised to power 1 n plus 1 minus 1, 8 raised to power n, and plus n plus 1 C2, 1 raised to power n plus 1 minus 2, 8 raised to power 2 plus containing terms. So put these values, we get this becomes equal to 1, this becomes 1 plus, that is n plus 1 and 8 plus n plus 1 C2 and 64 plus containing terms power of 8. So write down here, that is 1 plus 8 n plus 1 raised to power n plus 1 becomes equal to 1 plus n plus 1 into 8 plus n plus 1 C2 64 plus containing terms of power of 64 also here, and minus 8n minus 9. So look here, 1 plus 8n plus 8 plus n plus 1 C2 64 plus containing terms of 64 minus 8n minus 9. So we cancelled out 1 plus 8, that is 9, cancelled out. So 64 taking common n plus 1 C2 plus containing terms of 64. So it is multiple, also we can say divisible by 64, hence proved. So students, look here, that is the 9 can be break out 1 plus 8 and 1 plus 8 raised to power n plus 1 binomially distributed these terms, and minus 8 and 9 with the cancelled out, or 64 with the common. So we simply says that this is the divisible by 64, or also we can say multiple of 64. Students, we are taking question number 14. sigma r0 to n 3 raised to power r NCR equal to 4 raised to power n. Prove these results. Prove that. Students, look here. We are taking right hand side. 4 raised to power n. This can be written 1 plus 3 raised to power n. So students, using binomial theorem, a plus b raised to power n can be write down sigma r0 to n ncr a raised to power n minus r and b raised to power r. Look here, in this theorem we are taking a equal to 1 and b equal to 3. So find out sigma r0 to n ncr, that is n CR 1 raised to power n minus r and b raised to power r. So looking here, sigma r0 to n NCR 1 raised to power something, that is equal to 1 and 3 raised to power. This is the left hand side. So student, prove these results. Left hand side equal to right hand sides. So that is question number 14. At last we given some homework. Student, using the binomial theorem we find out the results. Using homework, using binomial theorems, find the value of 1 minus x raised to power 6. Question number 2, x minus 1 upon y raised to power 5. Question number 3, x plus 1 raised to power 4. Question number 4, x minus 1 upon 2x raised to power 5. Question number 5, x minus 2y raised to power 6. And question number 6, 2x plus 3 upon y raised to power 4. Question number 7, 88 raised to power 4. Question number 8, 31 raised to power 5. So student, try these 8 questions, and if any problems you contact me. So we are given 8 questions. I hope you try to best and solve these questions. That is my today's class. Thanks a lot.